Today I'm going to tell you the options for wholesale businesses if they're looking to sell online. The first option you have is going open source. By that I mean is there are plenty of platforms out there like WooCommerce or OpenCart that you can use without paying a licensing fee, and that you have to customize for your own business, and you can start using it without paying third-party costs. The challenge with open source platforms is that you have to manage it yourself, you have to run it yourself, you have to host it yourself, you have to customize it yourself. So technically you'd be incurring other costs, and also the headache that comes with it, making sure that everything runs securely on your platform. The second option is using fully managed platform like Shopify or Magento, where everything's taken care of for you. The only downside to that is the costs of these platforms for wholesalers is really high. The third option is you can build your bespoke e-commerce solution, which is tailored and built ground up for yourself. The downside to that is, yes, it's customized for you and it works especially for your business, but the downside is that now you're stuck in a technology lock-in with one particular company or person who's built this platform for you. So if you're a serious wholesaler business, you don't want to be in a position where you can't do anything with it and there's only one entity who's responsible for your wholesale e-commerce business. The fourth option you have is going to marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Of course, you'll get orders straight away, but the downside to that again is that you pay a lot of commission and you're tied with their rules. Whereas if you have your own e-commerce platform, you can run your own promotions, you can deliver directly without paying any commission and without worrying about the competition on marketplace. If you're considering e-commerce platform for your wholesale business, consider Just Sell, because you get personalized support, you can get customization, and also the cost for Just Sell is a fraction to what you pay to Shopify Plus.